Howdy, stargazers. We're amidst the warmth of spring. Summer's on the way. If you want a workout buddy, you got the ultimate ones right in the sky. Hercules, Boötes, and Ophiuchus. Hit the darkness around midnight and use the arc to Arcturus trick from the Big Dipper to find the booty of Boötes the herdsman. Did you catch his kite-shaped figure? He can herd something. Next, spike from Arcturus to Spica in Virgo, spying on the boys, I'm sure, and make a slanted box with Arcturus and Spica on the right and Vega and Rasalhague on the left. Rasalhague is the head of Ophiuchus the Serpent Bearer, going full Brittany. Ophi is technically the 13th zodiac, but he's not unlucky. Above Rasal and between Vega and Arcturus is the keystone figure of Hercules, so fine that he is still famous all these centuries later. Clearly, I need to get my beach body working. Keep looking up.